Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Koh Samui, Thailand. We've just woken up and decided today's going to be the day we're going to Pig Island. Got to hop on the moto, head down to a port, hire a boat, and then make it all work from there. So morning. We're about to drive through 2 elephants at a gate. Oh look, 2 elephants at a gate. The double elephant gate. One of the elephants seems a bit more angry than the other elephant, but maybe he's just had a bad day. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm wondering if you're ready to hear the best sound in the world. Uh-oh. Hello, welcome. Hey, we made it down here to the pier, and I found a shop that wanted 1,500 baht, which is gonna be 45 bucks to take me to Pig Island. And I was like, nah, I'm gonna go look around and see if I can find a better price. And then she said, okay, how about this? You join a group, you go to Pig Island, you snorkel, and you get lunch, all for 1,000 baht. And I said, excuse me, ma'am, you've got a deal. I got a little bit of travel info for you. So you want to depart from the Thong Krut Pier, and you're going to go to Koh Mudsum Island, which is the Pig Island. So Koh Mudsum and Thong Krut Pier. So the only downside to the group is I'm on a speedboat and I'm not on a longboat. So I guess it's personal preference. 1,500 if you want your own personal VIP longboat. If you want the speedboat, 1,000 baht, it's your lunch and snorkel. Slowly but surely?
Yeah.
I don't even know Shirley. Big dogs just oinking and oinking around town, huh? Look at that guy. There's a doggy. Yeah, he said I'm staying right here. Hungry. Dang, boy, look at these guys. Just some big fat pigs on an island that I paid $30 to come see. 4? What in the heck? No, not food, sir. No, not food. Sorry. That guy. Business. Alright, so for 30 USD, you get a speedboat out to Koh Mudsum. I can't ever remember the names. And then you get to see the pigs. There's food and drink out here. There's a beach for swimming. I'm gonna get some tanning going. And then we're gonna get lunch and a snorkel. Here, ladies and gentlemen, it is hot on this boat. We just finished snorkeling down here off the coast. But it is a bit toasty out here in the middle of March. I will tell you. Oh yeah, toasty buns. But hey, if you guys are looking for a day trip out here in Koh Samui, pigs, lunch, and snorkeling, sunshine, babes, beers, blunts. Okay? Okay. What a day. It's hot out there. It's fun out there. And now it's time for some lunch out here. This here's the Tom Kha Gai. Chicken and vegetable sweet and sour. Oh, yellow curry. I have no idea what that is. Watermelons. And all the tasty treats. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the old photos. It's a family place. Today's video is just going to be a bunch of random stuff. No real plans. I'm just going to start shooting video everywhere I go, and you guys can watch it. Sounds good. This is the Koh Samui Resort. Beautiful, oh beautiful, beautiful. Breakfast for a couple bucks. And dang, the current is all the way up here today. Let's go have a quick look for you, in case you're considering. You want to get into the Uns and the Uns, I'll take you there tomorrow. It's called Shuang Beach or Lamai. Lamai is still a bit more quieter, but Shuang is like the Uns and Uns. And then if you want like the best fire shows and family fun, you want to go to Bop Hut or Fisherman's Village. There's your morning tip of the day. Free 90 free, folks. Just hit that like, subscribe, and throw a comment in there for me so the algorithm knows who's the best travel guy around. I was just driving and I found some pink lotus. There's the giraffe. You go, whatever you do. And I found a massage shop. I don't think they're open yet. Maybe that, but this is kind of what you're looking at with these hard tables. It's beautiful. Morning, cup. Massages? Cool. Just me. Now? Okay, whenever you're ready, no problem. Up to you. Authentic Thai food, seafood, vegetarian food, Visa, MasterCard, oh, Alipay. Well, that's all for this brief break. There's your 1 minute clip. See you in a minute. Good morning, folks. Hey, instead of doing a bunch of long videos, I decided that I'm just gonna send 10 1-minute videos to you guys every day. So here we go. This will be your 1-minute video of the day. We gotta pick up some groceries. Hello, Grab driver. Good morning, Cap. We got a taxi coming. Thank you. You're welcome. One coffee for you, one for me. You're welcome. All right, guys, we're gonna slam a quick Black Birdie, na na na, oh Black Birdie, na na na. This coffee right here, na na na, get you going real good, na na na. Okay. Huh? YouTube? Yeah. Name? The American Travel Guy. I show you. 1 second. Coffee first. Coffee first, YouTube second. See you later, YouTube. We got to introduce, what's your name? Toop. We gotta introduce Toop to the channel. See you soon. But the tide has really come up. Look at that. I'm gonna have to go for a swim. Not bad at all, eh? Get a massage right here on the beach. Thai massage 500, oil 500, aroma 6, aloe vera 6. Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's episode of Muay Thai.
Thank you.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, just wanted to give you a quick 30 seconds here. Not every moment is blasting and crashing and banging and booming, you know. Sometimes we're just sitting here scrolling the gram, scrolling the book, catching some rest. But I had a good Muay Thai day, good beach day. Not much to it. See you on the next adventure.